So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we will be discussing about future retail. So we know that an update has come almost the money control itself almost 1 hour back regarding the CCI approval. Since many people were asking regarding future retail specifically about the various cases it may be, but many people were asking about CCI approval. So today we'll discuss what was the official tweet. So you can see in the thumbnail itself that a tweet was provided by the CCI. So we'll discuss about that and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis and also we'll do the technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that an update has come in the money control regarding the CCI approval. So clearly you can see the statement which is provided. So CCI approves the future group's Reliance retail deal. So we know that in August regarding the deal that was being discussed regarding Mukesh Ambani as well as future retail. So many people, we know that after that a frustration was created regarding the future retail. So earlier when it used to trade with upper circuits, after that it has completely gone to the downtrend and no idea that it will start move up, but later since the past 2 days we know that a sudden movement was seen in the stock. So when we go to the technical charts you will understand that I think yesterday itself we have seen some green candle and it has remained at a particular level. So today also some after market, so after the market was closed also we have seen some buying orders in the company. So we'll do the technical analysis as well, so that will be discussed in the end. So now we'll discuss about the tweet regarding the CCI approval. So clearly you can see in the tweet it has mentioned that it has approved the acquisition of retail, wholesale, logistics as well as warehousing businesses of Future Group by Reliance Retail Ventures. So that is obviously known that the Reliance Retail Ventures will have the control over all these diversifications of the Future Group and Reliance Retail and Fashion Lifestyle Limited. So CCI approval, so many people were waiting for this. So when the approval will be given? So clearly today you can see the CCI approval is officially being tweeted. So okay, so don't have any panic situation that again it will go down. So we can't decide anything. So any stock when it is news based, so it completely remains in that particular range only. So operators also manipulate that and we retailers go and jump and put heavy investments and make the loss. That's why I've not discussed about future retail since my past few videos also, because it's when complete clarity is not there, then definitely we should not force the retailers to invest. So I've discussed some best quality stocks like Adani Green, Vikas Multicorp. So when we have clarity that the stock will give a return, so that's why I'm discussing those and I'm updating the level. So understand that. So if you have any doubts regarding any share also, do mention in the comment section. So quickly, if we see the shareholding pattern of future retail, so you can see almost 33% is present with the you can say 33.9% is present with the promoter, and you can see mutual funds are also having marginal quantity, and FIIs as well as other institutions you can see 66.1% is present, and you can see public is having major. So you can see 55.3% is present with the public. So that's why that much amount of demand will be present regarding future retail. So don't worry. So at which level have you entered? So do mention and also join the Telegram so that any quick updates will be posted. So if we see the overall deliverable volume, so daily if we see the volume, so day wise if we see the volume, so what can you observe? So you can clearly see a big spike was seen yesterday. So yesterday itself the news was known insidely. So insiders obviously they will know. So we are the people who will be the last people to know about this approvals or any particular news. So don't jump on and rush. So that is what I discussed. So news which is being generated, so that is already will be known within the company. So that's why a sudden increment was seen yesterday, and clearly you can see the traded quantity has also increased. So if we see from October 13 to if we see present situation, so clearly you can see the combined percentage of deliverable quantities have increased along with the traded quantity yesterday. So huge spike, almost you can see 16 million spike was seen yesterday. So that much amount of volume has been generated, and deliveries you can see nominal that is almost you can see 40% above deliverable quantities was present. So day wisely, if you see the deliverable quantity, so these 4 sessions you can see clearly. So jump in delivery, drop in delivery, again rising. So there you can see 5.4% movement was seen in the stock, and again today almost 0.6% positive movement was seen. So now we'll go to the technical charts. We'll see what can be the next supports as well as the resistances. So before that, quickly see the RSI as well as money flow index. So where they are pointing. So if you see RSI as well as money flow index, so money flow index you can see it is near 63.2 as well as RSI is near 47.6. So completely in mid range. So neither in overbought region or neither in oversold region. So whenever mid range it is present, either side movement may be present. So future retail, so we know that much amount of movement was not seen in the past session. So even though yesterday it has given a sudden spike in volume as well as movement, so earlier so it was struck at that particular range and consolidation was present. So when issue was present in the code, so when major problems are present, so definitely the stock will have a confusion whether to move up or down. So since the CCI approval is given, so now we'll see the technical charts and we'll try to see where the company has formed the support and what can be the next levels. So we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 week chart. So clearly you can see 1 week chart. So if you see today's movement, you can see almost 0.63% movement was seen. So when you see the 1 week chart, so when it has broke the trend line, so continuous downtrend was seen, and later we have seen this as the support. Okay, so this is the support that we can see. So whether it may be 70 rupees level, and also it has formed a double top here. So later again it has touched that level, and this particular week it has given closing in green. So it doesn't mean that next week it should boom. So these particular stock, we know that it has fooled many retailers many times. So definitely don't have that high opinions that it will continuously move up. So that completely we cannot decide these type of stocks. So when news bound or any operators based companies there, so that is completely depends upon them. So we retailers only can invest in small portions. So when we discussed earlier also regarding the double top, so 70 rupees was the support that we have discussed, 70. So beyond, if it goes below that, I told don't add in this, just leave it. So 70 was the support. So our targets were 90 as well as 95 rupees for short term. Rest of all, it depends upon the company performance as well as the financials that it will post. So if you want to hold for long term, that depends upon you. If you want to exit and take the profit in short term, so it depends completely on you. So we know, since the approval is given, so since the Reliance Ventures Limited, so these will be managing the resources of future retail. So you need to think twice or thrice if you're investing for long term. Short term it may give, so long term we know about future retail, so how it behaves. So I need not explain specially on that. So hope everything is clear regarding this. So you can also check out the CCI approval in the Twitter handle as well, and also in the money control also this particular update has been posted. So further, if you have any doubts regarding future retail, so mention in the comment section, so that we'll discuss about that. So until then, take care. Bye bye.